Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. It's going to be a short one this time because we're going to exchange some little lamps with LED lamps in the kitchen, so stay tuned. Well, here we have them both, the halogen lamp and the LED lamp. To keep the world a greener place, we are going to use the LED lamps because they are taking less energy than the halogen lamps. They have the G4 connectors, those two little pins. They need 2.5 watts of power and they give the equivalent of 20 watts of the halogen lamp. That is 180 lumen for the tech guys. And of course, the same voltage, 12 volts. We turn it around and you can see the 12 LEDs. It consists of 12 LEDs in this circle. This is the original halogen lamp with the G4 2 pins, the same connectors as the LED lamp. As you can see, there is a difference in size. The halogen lamp is a lot smaller than the LED, but it will work, you will see it. Here we have the small container with the reflector and the halogen lamp that has to come out. And we also take out the reflector because we need the space. Because the LED don't give that much warmth as the halogen lamp, there is no danger to melt the plastic container, so the reflector can be removed easily. We already got it into the container and you can see how it sits. There is enough space and it sits really well there. We had to bend the G4 pins connectors because the circle was a little bit too high and we had to bend it to get it more down into the container so the glass could fit on top of it. So before assembling the whole thing, let's see how it burns and if it burns. As you can see, it works pretty well. Now that they all are assembled, we are going to see if it all works well. And as you can see, it really does. And it gives a beautiful warm light just like the halogen lamps. So that's again a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.